Even though sometimes we can feel close to losing our faith in humanity, there are still some moments in which we can truly see some incredible acts of human kindness. A moment that probably wouldn't be believed if it wasn't filmed happened when a teenager found a wallet on the street with $1,500 in it and decided to check the ID inside and take it back to its owner with the full amount. A very heartwarming moment happened when a chef at a restaurant in London took the time to make a special cake for a blind birthday girl by adding a happy birthday message in Braille for her to read, and you can see how much it meant to her.
They did not! Oh! Thank you so much!
Gigi is a grandmother who's currently living with advanced dementia. After she wandered off from her home, an Amazon delivery driver decided that packages can wait and stopped to help and managed to get in contact with her granddaughter and take her back home. Okay, not sure exactly how this happened, but when a taxi car fell to the beach in Vietnam, all the taxi drivers nearby decided to help their fellow coworker by lifting the car back up the stairwell back to the streets. During a Chelsea match, Mason Mount made a fan's day by giving her a deflated soccer ball used in the match, and her reaction was priceless. A stressful situation for a mom deer happened when her fawn was stuck in a fence and she couldn't reach him. And that's when a farmer nearby saw what was going on and helped the fawn reunite with the mother.
Mama, see? I got your fish. Oh, look at that.
Despite footballer Haaland not being in the best spirits after losing an important match that had a sign rooting for him, he still went and gave his shirt to a young fan.
Let's see what he's going to do, jumping over the advertising hoarding. And who's going to get that present? Well, somebody was lucky. I think he was. Yeah.
Dr. Lupo is a streamer who had a goal of raising money for St. Jude children by doing a 24-hour stream. And well, during the stream, Twitch itself decided to surprise him with a $1 million check to the hospital.
$1 million from Twitch. I very officially say, there you go.
After a sergeant was deployed for over 7 months, she decided to surprise her 3-year-old daughter in a very special way at a Harlem Globetrotters game. In Hong Kong, a beautiful moment of humanity happened when a crowd of thousands of people made space for a fire truck to pass through. At the 2017 Boston Marathon, one of the runners was struggling to keep going just a couple meters away from the finish line, and in a moment of true sportsmanship, 2 other runners carried her to the finish line.
Former Bruin Bobby Carpenter, former Boston Pride player Dana Lang just finished, and they're live with Steve Burson. Steve?
With package theft being at an all-time high with 1 in 5 Americans reported a stolen package, some delivery drivers are doing small acts of kindness to prevent it from happening. When a kid had a dream of being a skateboarder, her dad decided to support her by helping her build up confidence while attempting a difficult trick.
Oh, that was good.
After a waste collector noticed 2 dogs in the window watching, he decided to give them a treat. And well, he's done it every day since. And the dogs wait for him every day at the window. After a teen was bullied and tormented every day at school, his parents decided it's best to move him to another school, and when his new classmates found out he was bullied at another school, decided to welcome him with Nike sneakers and clothes that they all chipped in to buy.
Amazing. Wow. This is from your class.
This is nothing, as all the stuff you've done for everyone in this class. You deserve way more than this.
In probably the best surprise for a grandfather ever, all his family surprises him at the airport to join him on a birthday vacation, and his reaction was priceless.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You guys are coming with us?
Yeah!
With the average cost of hearing implants can range from $30,000 to even over $50,000, they're not affordable. After Envoy Medical decided to offer implant to a 29-year-old who was born deaf, her reaction to listening for the first time was greatly emotional.
So now technically your device is on. Yeah? Oh, that's exciting!
After a collapse in Surfside, firefighters were looking for people for days on end, and that's when a kid offered candy to them in an attempt to thank them for all their hard work. After Brazil lost to win Copa America Championship to Argentina in the final, the football legend Neymar was very distraught, and that's when Messi went to console him. When a girl was riding her bike to school, there was part of the street that was flooded, and that's when some agricultural workers in the area took notice and gave her a ride in the tractor. When a man saw none other than Dwayne Johnson at a hotel lobby, he explained to him that his kids were the biggest fans of the movie Moana and the song You're Welcome, so that's when The Rock decided to make something special for him.
Hey, Anna, Lucas, Maui here. I know I look much different than what you're used to, but hopefully you can recognize my voice, so I have a little surprise for you. What can I say? It's that you're welcome.
During a rainstorm, a man noticed a cat was outside and didn't have shelter from the rain, so he decided to just leave the umbrella for the cat to stay dry. When a car got stuck trying to drive through standing water, a truck decided to help out by pushing him off the water, so the interior and electrical system of the car don't get messed up. When a young basketball fan brought a sign to a game asking Kyrie Irving's shoes for his birthday, Kyrie decided to make his day and give him his shoes, and later gave his jersey to another fan in the crowd. Since sea turtles can't breathe underwater and need to come to the surface for air, movement is incredibly important for them. A heartwarming moment happened when a lady saw a sea turtle caught on a fishing net and decided to set him free. When a man was observing from his balcony a painter who happened to be struggling financially, trying to sell a picture to pedestrians, he decided to buy the painting from the man himself. A sad moment to watch was an elderly lady trying to cross a busy street, and cars weren't stopping to let her cross safely. Luckily, a man got out of his car and helped her cross the busy road. When a family lost control of their car in the middle of a flood, a homeowner in the area saw what was going on and went out of his way to help them. A probably very scary and anxiety-filled moment for a train passenger happened when he misstepped and got his leg stuck in the gap, and in a very touching humanity moment, everyone got out of the train to help him by pushing the train for him to be able to squeeze his leg out.
But the man did not sustain any serious injuries.
An incredible moment to see happened when a football player got a call, and the coach answered for him, and then proceeded to inform him that he got a scholarship. And well, his team's reaction was priceless.
Come here. Hang on a second. I'm going to put you on speaker. Hang on.
What's up, Mom?
Hey, Kyle, we wanted you to be the first to know